Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is the Kickstart video for July 12, 2024. In the Kickstart video, I take a look at three of the major currency pairs, the euro versus US dollar, the dollar versus yen, and sterling versus US dollar from a technical perspective. So let's get started. Starting off by taking a look at the euro versus US dollar. The PPI did come out higher than expected. That counteracted the CPI, but the CPI tends to be more important. Nevertheless, it would have been nice if it came down like the CPI. So we did see the US dollar move higher initially. This last bar of the 4-hour chart moved down to this level right through here, down below 1.0875 in the process, but has since bounced back higher. We currently trade at 1.08888, and that took the price back above the swing area, going back to this area right through here, where especially here where the price found this ceiling area through here. Yes, we moved a little bit above it here, but for the most part this was a ceiling area. Got a little up and down through here, but in trading yesterday the price moved above it off the CPI, but then in trading here today the price was above it before the PPI came back down and then rotated back to the upside. And once, as I said, we're kind of trading, well, we are trading that right near the highs for the day, near the 88 level at the moment, which is just above this swing area. We're also above this trend line. This trend line connected different highs through here. Again, yesterday after the CPI data, the price did move higher, dollar lower, and then the momentum could not be sustained. There was a big, huge move to the upside, and we rotated back down toward this swing area through here, which I had outlined at 1.0853 up to 617. So that was a nice hold right through here, and the price has since based off of that level. So it seems like the dollar selling continues in the euro versus US dollar, but watch the 1.08758 for different clues. If we could stay above this level right here, that would be the best case scenario, with the potential for a move back up toward the high price that we saw in the month of June, or maybe it's the end of May, that came in at 1.09153. That would be the next key target on the top side for the euro versus US dollar. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen. And like the euro versus US dollar, we've had some a sharp move to the downside in trading yesterday off of the CPI data that was helped by supposedly some Bank of Japan intervention. Sent the price down 400, well, a range of 420 pips in trading yesterday, which is a big move, rivaling these intervention moves down through here. Actually, a little less than those moves. Nevertheless, it was a huge move, and that took the price down toward the 61.8% retracement. I'm going to get this out of the way. 61.8% retracement of the last move to the upside. Nice hold against that level at this 61.8% retracement level. The level also, happened to correspond. You just like to see these levels hold where we have a bunch of swing highs right through here, which are something that traders can see. And then we moved above that level from here all the way up to there. So that was a nice hold right there that pushed the price back to the upside. Now, the reason why I had this Fibonacci retracement from here down to the low was that the 50% retracement of that move to the downside did put a lid on the pair near the 159.599 level. We're going to need to get above that level to give the buyer some added hope. But as you can see, the price after moving higher after the PPI data has since rotated back to the downside and currently trades back below the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, which currently comes in at 158.68. So the sellers are trying to take control again. Watch the 50% of this move to the upside as a target on the downside at 158.23. Get below that level, and we could head on back down toward that 61.8% retracement and swing levels down through down at this level at 157.36. Finally, let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. This currency pair continues its move to the upside after a brief dip after the PPI. We're trading at or near session highs near 129.66. The next target comes against this topside trend line, which comes in at 129.80. For the sterling versus US dollar. We're already trading at the highest level going back to this date in July of 2023. the high price on this day came up to 129.95, currently trading at 129.66. So we're getting within about 30 pips of that next high target up here on the daily chart. Going back to the 4-hour chart again, though, we do have an interim resistance level at the 129.80 level. So be aware of that. That is moving higher, by the way, as each bar continues. So be aware that it might be closer to that level on that level on the at 90 level on the daily chart as the high price going back to 2023. On the sharp move to the upside here, the price decline through here did fall short of the well short of the 38.2% retracement of the last move to the upside, so that kept the buyers in control. The other thing of importance off the sterling versus US dollar is that these low prices right here stalled ahead of this high price through here, which was the old high for the year, I guess, going back to February, March. So the ability to stay above that level keeps the buyers in control, and that's helping to push this pair to the upside. So there you have it, a Kickstart video taking a look at the three major currency pairs. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.